Fáilte chuig rang kick beag, little kicks mighty crack. Is mise Coachálaí John, agus is she Coachálaí Crystal mo bhain céile. Bunny muid an agriocht seo an nuirí, agus tá an áthas agan a bheith ag úsáid an teanga. Is rang sport agus bhí muid ag géirí níos mó rowanna a thabhairt don páistí óga trí le bhain seas measca sport. Coach Crystal, you've done some research for the benefits of young children
learning a language while doing physical activity. So we realized when we were singing songs like "Boy is Yellow" that the kids were joining in. So we said, you know what, we can do this. Let's add some more Irish, and we're doing it in a safe environment where the kids don't feel too pressurized and they feel kind of comfortable with us.
Agus tugann sé seans doing an caiideán teanga fiosú freisin. We have aspirations to continue developing our content and learning more as we go along.